Welcome to Sabal Springs Golf and Racquet Club, a beautifully maintained 55 plus gated community in North Fort Myers. As you drive in, you'll notice the peaceful streets, lush tropical landscaping, and a friendly, adult active atmosphere that's going to make Sabal Springs so special. This community offers resort style living with year round sunshine and neighbors who really do quickly become friends. Sabal Springs is known for its 18-hole golf course, Olympic-sized heated pool and spa, tennis and pickleball courts, and a vibrant clubhouse that features full-service restaurant and bar, fitness center, library, ballroom, and game rooms. And there really is something always happening here, from live music and dinners to social clubs and community dances. The low HOA fees are a huge bonus, and those cover lawn care, high-speed internet, basic cable, exterior painting every 7 years, and a 24/7 manned gate access. Golf is optional, and you can pay as you play, so you can enjoy it as much as you like or as little as you like. Now, as we head in here to 17728 Acacia Drive, it is a beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that has a 2-car garage and is perfectly positioned along the 12th hole of the golf course. From the moment that you arrive, you'll notice it has wonderful curb appeal, professional landscaping, a new roof, and a welcoming glass door that was just installed. You're greeted by bright and open split floor plans with vaulted ceilings. And the good news is your washer and dryer are located inside of the home, not in the garage, and you've got plenty of space if you want to add some additional cabinetry or storage area there. This is a great size master bedroom. The owners currently have a king size bed, so you have ample space. The bathroom has double sinks with drawers there in the vanity, as well as the walk-in closet and a linen pantry here. The living room features warm laminate flooring. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space and storage, and each of the 3 bedrooms does include its own walk-in closet. We know how important the closet space really is. The home also includes pre-wired security system, it's freshly painted, and the furniture is negotiable. This home is really move-in ready. The formal dining room showcases bay windows overlooking the golf course and the pond, a perfect backdrop if you're hosting family dinners or maybe playing cards with friends. As we creep here into the large screened-in lanai, which I love, it's completely undercover. You're going to see that it's been upgraded with new Pebble Decking and hurricane shutters. The owners have already went ahead and added an extended paver patio. It really is the best place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee or evening sunsets, and I love that it's overlooking the 12th fairway. It's peaceful, and it truly captures the essence of Florida outdoor living. You know, one of the best parts about living in Sabal Springs is the location. You are just minutes from downtown Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, and major routes like I-75 or Tamiami Trail, making it easy to explore all of Southwest Florida. Everyday conveniences from shopping or dining to medical facilities and entertainment are right around the corner. And of course, some of the best beaches in Florida are just a short drive away. This home is perfect for a seasonal retreat or your forever home, and the area offers both value and lifestyle that is hard to beat. I'm Kayla Hunter with Palms and Properties Group at Keller Williams Elite Realty. If you would like to schedule your private showing or learn more about this community, the locations here in Florida, you can visit our website or call me at 239-850-7719. Thanks so much for watching and welcome home to Sabal Springs.